A slope field or a direction field, your textbook authors refer to these as direction fields. Other textbooks that I've taught from have called them slope fields. Basically, it's just a picture that shows the slope of the solution to a selected differential equation for a specific set of points. So what we're going to do to get started here is construct a slope field or a direction field for the differential equation that's given here. dy over dx is equal to x over y. And we have some specific points starting with, and I realize you can't really see my pointer here, but we've got the point right there, which is -1, -1, 0, -1, +1, -1, and we have 6 other points as well. So we're going to find, basically, using the ordered pairs for the points that are on that graph, on that grid, we're going to find, let me get rid of all of this, the slope for each little point. Remember that dy over dx gives you a value for slope. So if we start with the point -1, -1, plugging in -1 for y and -1 for x, you get a slope of +1. So what we want to do is, on our grid, draw a little tiny line segment that goes through the point -1, -1 that appears to have a slope of approximately 1, +1. So you're going to have, using a ruler helps. That's what I'm doing to get this little slope right. So you're just going to draw a little line segment. And then you move on to the next point. If we've got the point 0, -1, our slope is x divided by y. So we've got a slope of 0. You know that's a horizontal line. So you draw in your little horizontal line segment through that point. Then with +1, 1, +1, -1, if I'm going across the bottom there, the slope is 1 divided by -1, or -1. So I'm going to try to sketch a little line segment through that point with a slope of approximately -1. So pause the video and calculate the slopes for the other 6 points that are on that grid and draw them in. Then restart the video and check your work. Alrighty, so check what you've got. Let's see, we had done the first 3 before you started, so you should take a look at, well, come on, there we go. The values for the slope that are under that yellow highlighted section. And then your slope field should look something like what I've got there. Now, what a slope field is good for is allowing you to sketch a solution of a differential equation even if you don't have the solution of a differential equation. And the handout, the next handout that you're going to need is the worksheet, or the worksheet titled Introduction to Slope Fields. I think it says section Exploration 7 for Introduction to Slope Fields. So complete that, and then you can check your work with the answer key that I'm also going to post for you, and then go from there.